Hi, today in this video we are going to look how to improve your core strength with the help of yoga asanas. These asanas will help to improve your core strength and also help to reduce your belly fat also. The first asana in the core strengthening is Santulanasana, which is called as plank pose. This will improve your core strength to a next level. So for that, first take cat pose. Lift your knees, create a parallel structure with your body against the floor. Press your hands against the floor. Keep looking at one point ahead of your mat. Keep breathing. While your every exhale, pull your stomach in to feel the pressure on your stomach. After completing 30 to 40 seconds, drop your knees down. You can repeat this asana 2 to 3 times to improve your core strength. Second asana is Chaturanga Dandasana. In this, you have 4 parts of body on the floor, balancing your body. So for that, again, take a plank pose first. Then, very slowly, drop your upper body down without touching floor. Balance here with keeping your core tight and keep breathing. Try to hold this for at least 30 to 40 seconds. Push your body upward like push-up and drop your knees down. In Chaturanga Dandasana, if your body is shaking, then don't worry about that. It will improve with the practice and you will get stronger with day by day. Third asana in core strengthening is Parvottanasana, which is called as reverse plank also. So to perform that, firstly, sit on your mat, keep your legs totally straight, keep your hands behind your body, reverse your hands, then take a deep inhale, exhale, put pressure on hands, press your heels against the floor and lift your whole body. In this also, keep your core tight, keep breathing. Whenever you exhale, pull your stomach in. Try to hold this pose for at least 20 to 30 seconds and with the practice you can improve this timing. Slowly drop your whole body and sit again. Reverse plank strengthens your core also, but it is very useful to improve your hand strength and body balancing also. Next asana in core strengthening is Vasishthasana, which is called as side plank also. So for this, you have to lie down one-sided on the mat, keep your elbow on the floor, create a 90-degree angle in your elbow. Now keep your both legs on each other, keep your hand on your waist, take a deep inhale, exhale and push your hip all the way up and balance on your hand and your feet. To make it more difficult, you can raise your hand up and keep looking at your hand. Try to hold this for at least 25 to 30 seconds. While performing this, your pelvic will drop down, but you have to make sure to push it further way up to create a good pressure on your core. Slowly drop your hand down, drop your hip down and release this pose. Vasishthasana is very good to remove all the side fat from your body and to improve your obliques. Next asana is tiger pose. So for this pose, you have to take the cat pose first. Now take a deep inhale and you have to extend your left hand and right leg, the opposite ones. Extend your leg and hand. In this, you have to keep your all focus on your core. Try to create a balance by your core. Engage your stomach. Keep breathing through your stomach. Focus. Slowly drop your hand and leg down. Now we have to perform this with other hand and leg. So use your right hand and left leg, the opposite ones. Extend it. Again, engage your stomach and balance it. Slowly drop your hands and legs down. You can perform the tiger pose 5 to 6 times with each hand and leg and try to hold it for at least 20 to 30 seconds. Try to perform these core exercises at least thrice a week to improve your core strength. Don't neglect it because our core is the center of our body, and try to improve it day by day. Thanks for watching this video. Stay happy and stay healthy.